Dialogue 1. After long time meeting.
Hi, Gems. It's nice to see you again.
Yes, it had been a long time. Where are you going?
I'm going to have lunch.
Me too. Let's go together. What about going to Italian restaurant?
That sounds great. Let's go.
Dialogue 2. Introducing myself.
Hello. What's your name?
Hi. My name is John. What's yours?
I'm Michael.
It's nice to meet you, sir. Is this your wife and baby?
Yes, this is my wife, Luna. And this is my son, Robert.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, Robert.
Hello, John.
Hi, Uncle.
Hello. Do you have big family, John?
Not really. Only one brother.
Dialogue 3. Informal Greetings.
Hi, Paul. How's it going?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the classroom. I've got a science exam next week and need to start studying.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Dialogue 4. Playing games.
Kevin, I just got a new game. Would you like to play it with me?
What kind of game is it?
It's a jumping game. I downloaded it yesterday. Would you like to play this game?
No thanks, Jason. I don't like jumping games.
Would you prefer to play a board game instead?
Do you have Scrabble?
Yes. Let's play.
Dialogue 5. Informal Introductions.
Who's that beautiful girl next to Jenny?
That's her friend Cora. Didn't you meet her at Joey's birthday party?
No, I didn't go at Joey's birthday party.
Oh. Then let me introduce you to her now. Cora. This is my friend, Tony.
Hi, Tony. Nice to meet you.
Me too. Would you like a drink?
Sure.
Dialogue 6. Help from friends. Good morning, Roger. What are you doing?
Morning, Sarah. I was reading my previous chapter.
What kind of book you were reading seriously?
I was reading the last chapter of my history book.
By the way, are you busy tonight?
I think I don't have any of my schoolwork. But why are you asking?
Today is my best friend's birthday. So I have to attend her birthday party.
Nice. But what can I do for you?
Can you do me a favor?
But what?
I want to buy a gift and that gift shop is next to your school. So can you go get my gift?
Okay, I'll go and get your gift. You don't need worry.
Thank you so much. Dialogue 7 at the doctor's clinic.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, doctor, I have a bad fever and a sore throat. I also have a headache. And I couldn't sleep last night.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 2 days now, and I'm really tired, too.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, I haven't.
It sounds like you've got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Dialogue 8. Applying for a new job. Susan. I heard you're looking for a new job.
Yeah. I just had an interview yesterday.
Oh. How did it go?
I think I did well. They said they would make a decision by this Friday.
This Friday? Looks like they want to hire the person as quickly as possible.
Yeah. I too think so.
What are your chances of getting that job?
I believe I've a very good chance. The manager seems to like me.
Well, good luck then.
Thanks, I hope it helps.
Dialogue 9. Road accident.
Hey, that car just ran a red light and hit that car.
Is anyone hurt?
I don't know.
Did you call the police?
No. Let's call the police.
Hello, Town Hall Police Station. How can I help you?
I'd like to report a car accident near the bus stand Lulu Mall. It looks like man is hurt.
Okay, we are coming to there. And I'll send you an ambulance there.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Eric. What did the police say?
They're going to send an ambulance and a police car right away.
Good, I hope the man is okay. You have to be careful when you're driving.
I know. Okay, I'll see you at home.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.